Well, new video of chaos in downtown Denver. This happened near the 16th Street Mall, and video's gone pretty viral on social media.
It's a wild ride right here. A driver plowing through a barricade, driving through a construction site, blowing out a tire, then hitting another car, and then taking off. Fox 31's Aaliyah Sims joining us live with new information from police here at 10. Aaliyah.
Well, Jeremy, police have not answered the question as to why the driver did this, but if you can take a look behind me, you can see those barricades have been put back into place. Now, this was the site that drivers saw in Friday night in downtown Denver. And you can see a car traveling through a gated construction zone area near 15 and Champa. Devin Whitstruck tells me he was walking down 16th around the construction when he turned the corner and saw a car on the sidewalk wedged between a gate. He says it forced its way through, blowing two of the tires out. The car continued to drive back and forth, scratching the paint off as it was going between the fences. Whitstruck says the car eventually shot forward and hit another car before driving off.
I mean, if you look at the video, I was scared somebody was going to be behind the car when she was going back and forth or in front of it. I feel like that was the real issue, the real danger. Grand Theft Auto on 16th.
Well, Denver police tell me that officers are investigating, but they have not made any arrests. If you know any information about this, you are urged to call our partners with Metro Denver Crime Stoppers. Live in downtown Denver, Aaliyah Sims, Fox 31.